Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make an Orange Joy fruit parfait. The first thing we need to do is blend up our Orange Joy, and it is 2 ingredients. It can't be more simple, and I do have a separate video on the Orange Joy and I can put a link to that below. Anyway, I have 1 Navel Orange. I've just quartered it. It's going to be blended together in my little food processor here, so I'm not going to bother chopping it up because I don't need to. Now I have some frozen mango chunks. The amount you add is up to you. It can be anywhere from a half a cup to a cup. The more you add, the thicker it's going to be. Now these are frozen chunks. I'm not going to be able to mash them down very well, but this is a 1/2 cup measuring cup. And you can see that it's overflowing a little bit. I wanted to finish up a bag of frozen mango. So I'm going to guess that that is somewhere between a half a cup and 3/4 of a cup. I don't think it's as much as 3/4, but I'm going to use that amount and go with it. And that's all there is to it. Now, if you want it sweeter, you can always add some dates to it, or honey, or some maple syrup, or a sweetener of your choice. I like it all fruit, just like it is. So I'm going to blend this up and then we'll go from there. Okay, my Orange Joy is blended up and you can see it here, and it is semi-thick, and that's perfectly fine. And I may or may not use all that. We'll see how it goes. I've got a 2-cup mason jar here, and I'm just going to make my parfait in that. Now I'm going to start by putting some Orange Joy in the bottom, and then I'm going to add whatever fruit I have on hand that I feel like throwing in there. You can add whatever amount you want. I like to keep frozen fruit on hand for this kind of a thing, or any type of application. And I have some frozen raspberries, some frozen wild blueberries, so they're on the smaller side, and a cherry berry blend, and I picked out of that some blackberries and some cherries that I chopped up a little bit finer. And then I also have a banana here, and I'm going to just work with probably half the banana. I don't think I'm going to need the whole thing, but it's here if I do need it. And I'm just going to slice the banana. You don't have to use the exact fruit that I'm using. You can use absolutely whatever you want to enjoy. Now I'm just going to line some fruit up in here, make it look attractive, and try to make it where you can see some of this fruit along the borders there. And yes, these are still frozen, but that's okay. I'm not actually going to be eating this immediately. So I'm going to put a lid on this and put it in the refrigerator, and it'll hold for me until I'm ready. So now we're going to put another layer of some Orange Joy on top, some more banana, and some more of our cherry berry blend. Raspberries in there, blueberries. Use whatever amount you want. There is no measuring going on here. You don't need to. Not for something like this. Now we're going to throw in some more berries. We are going to use all of this Orange Joy. I'm just going to put the rest of it right on top here. You can top it off with whatever you want. It could be chopped nuts. It could be coconut. Could be granola. Oh, it could be absolutely anything your heart desires. Yogurt, you could put yogurt in this as well. Layer it with yogurt. I wanted to have mine all fruit, and so that's what I'm doing. And I'm topping it off with the rest of this frozen fruit that I set aside. And this will be a wonderful snack. It could be part of a meal. It could be part of a breakfast. That's it. Do give this a try sometime. The recipe is below. I sure hope this helps. Enjoy. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.